The tornado hit it and swept it completely away. Entire sections of the driveway pavement were ripped from the earth and thrown. The house had been blown hundreds of yards downwind. But that's not the detail that stops you. The Robinson family had an 800-pound safe inside that home. An 800-pound Liberty safe that was anchored to the foundation with heavy steel bolts. The tornado ripped that safe from its anchorage and threw it 200 yards to the north. The door, which had been closed, was torn completely off,